Hello there. I'm going to make this video to show you how to get started on the home page, just so that you'll know where everything is and how to find your way around the home page. So let's get started. I'm impersonating a student, so what you see will be the same thing that you will see when you log on. So if you have more than one course, you'll click on the tiles, and the tiles are colored, and they're going to look like this image here on the top. This image here. So I'm on our home page, and I'm going to scroll down a little bit. This is the bulletin board. Whoops. This is the bulletin board. It really gives you some ideas about how to get started, office hours, basic navigation. It's very similar to the video that I'm making here, but so you can click on that. And then over on the side, you have teacher information, how you can get in touch with me. A little bit farther down, you have your course information, and if you were in, say, let's see, 12 weeks, if you're in the 12 weeks course, you would click on that, and that's going to open up your syllabus, and we're going to scroll down right here. Okay, when you get started, you have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Wednesdays you'll see are highlighted in gold. That lets you know that that's the due date. As you look at the different assignments, you're going to see some are blue, some are red, some are green, some might be purple. There might be some that are purple. Purple are ongoing assignments. So every time you see something in a different color, that lets you know that you have an assignment that's due. When you have a due date, the due date will be assignments from the week before, and this is the very beginning here, so assignments from the week before all the way through that Tuesday. Anything that is listed as an activity for Wednesday will be due on the following Wednesday. Okay, so let's go back to the home page. Okay. Now, down below that, you're also going to have a checklist. And the checklist is a way for you to keep up with the due date and exactly what is due. And notice that those are in different colors as well. So discussion will be green. Tests, quizzes, things like that will be in red. Blue or cartoon projects, things like that, those are things that would be considered a Dropbox assignment. So the three types of assignments are discussion, quizzes, tests and quizzes, and Dropbox assignments. So let me go back to this other. Okay. I have a synchronous session, and this one says Tuesdays, but I changed it for the B class. We're going to meet Mondays at 5. If you can attend, that's great, and if you can't, that's fine too, because I record the sessions and I post them two places on the home page. I post them down below here, and this is a list of modules that we've already gone through. So you can click there and join those. And also, below the bulletin board is a series of news items, and those are updated. The oldest items are down at the bottom. The newest ones are at the top. Let me show you one. This is one right here. So not only do I post the class chats here, but when you see this little symbol here, it lets you know that we have a class chat. And after I finish the class chat, I will also post a link here. Now to find the content, go to course materials, and you've probably done this already, but go to content, and you would click here to start your module, and then you're just going to click your way through it. Okay, and I won't go through all those. I'll make this short for you. To go to assessments, you have discussions, Dropbox, grades, and quizzes. Those are the main things that you would be keeping up with. And let's look at Dropbox. Make sure that when you complete a Dropbox assignment, you can click on it and it'll tell you, submit assignment. You would add a file. You can record audio or video. We do frequently have audio recordings, but you can add a file. I'll back out of that. For discussions, those are listed, and you just click on these, and it will take you to post a new. I'll click on this one here. post on this one, and it will tell you to start a new thread. Okay. You can go to quizzes, the same thing. To read your feedback, and I want to show you something. I sent you a link to it, but if you go back to the home page, it'll take it a few minutes to load. Okay. I'm going to scroll all the way down and show you all news items. And this is a reminder of due dates. And I have all of them listed. You would only see one, but I have a lot of them listed. A reminder to check grades. There's a class chat. Welcome, check your grades. A reminder about winter break. We don't have a winter break. Sometimes I find little articles that I share. I wanted to scroll all the way down to show you. This is where, if you don't see it on the email that I sent you, you can click here to how to find feedback and how to read the feedback for each assignment. And I'll leave this feedback for everything. So that should do it.